In our last episode, we talked about engine oil, the unsung hero that keeps your cars running, and just how important it is to change it on time. But did you know that how often you should change your engine oil doesn't just depend on your car's make or model? It can also change based on your driving habits and the conditions you drive in. When we think about situations that call for more frequent oil changes, it's easy to picture things like racing or off-roading in the mountains. But the everyday city driving we all do can actually wear out your engine oil faster than you might think. Surprised? Let's find out why with Enmove Times. Even in urban driving conditions, temperature fluctuations can put extra stress on your engine. That means your engine oil gets used up more quickly as it works to protect your engine. It's not only outside factors like temperature that matter. Things going on inside your car can also cause your engine oil to deteriorate faster. When you're driving in urban areas, all that stop-and-go traffic puts extra strain on your engine. Your engine oil has to work harder to protect the engine, which is why it wears out more quickly. And of course, the way you drive makes a big difference as well. If you tend to brake suddenly, accelerate quickly, or often drive at high speeds, your engine has to work much harder. This makes your engine oil break down and thin out more quickly, so you'll need to change it sooner. Zika offers a variety of products with Urban Protect technology, designed to keep your engine protected, even in tough city driving conditions. All of these products use UBase, Enmove's own very high viscosity index base oil. Whether you're looking for great value of premium products, officially certified by top global car brands, Zika as you covered. Even in extreme temperature conditions, no matter how often you're stopping and starting, or what kind of road or terrain you're driving on, Zika products always deliver, and they help keep your engine running at its best. For your engine, everyday city driving can feel like a real challenge. That's why engine oil works like a vitamin pill, giving your engine the protection it needs even in tough urban conditions. With Zika's wide range of products tailored for different vehicles, you can pick the perfect oil for your car, keep your engine protected, and enjoy a smarter driving experience. We'll be back with more interesting topics in our next episode. Thank you for watching Enmove Times.